What's going on, everybody? Aaron here with attention to detail. We just finished this 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper in Terminix's satin willy purple, and holy cow, this purple is insane. Come look at this thing in the sun. We did a full body color change, PPF, paint protection film, 10-year warranty on everything. Material, labor, from discoloration, fading, bubbling, peeling, you name it. We wrapped and tucked every single edge. It is literally the cleanest color change PPF you could possibly find in the country. The satin willy purple from Terminix was a fantastic color choice. Our clients actually went through at least 40 different colors to find this one. This one is the one. The color is literally perfect, and the metallic flake in it is perfect as well. So we prepped the entire vehicle. We did a full foam wash, removed all the main dirt and grime, cleaned up everything, the rims, the tires, wheel barrels, wheel wells, how we normally do. Then on the entire vehicle, we did our iron decontamination. That's gonna remove any iron particles, any brake dust, any road grime. Then we did our clay bar treatment that removes any embedded contamination in the paint. Stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can feel it, has that gritty feeling. Oh my God, this color is gorgeous. Come look at it from this angle. This is like sick. Just look at it from the back. It's like, oh my goodness. So once we did all of our clay bar treatment, then we brought it over to our film shop. Now, our film shop is really, really special because it is only 3 cars deep. It's a 1,500 square foot shop, and we mop and sweep it twice a day. It's dust controlled, temperature controlled, air controlled. I can see how many millimeters of particles are in the air. That is how clean it is. So we do all of our film work over there, all of our vinyl, all of our tint, all of our paint protection film like this Terminix satin willy purple. We do it all down there so that way it's a clean environment. If you've ever tried to put a phone case on your phone like that screen and you get a little tiny bubble of dust, dirt, or you get like even, a little piece of dirt underneath that film, we are doing this on the entire panels. Like your entire hood, your entire doors, your entire rear bumper, hatch, whatever. Not a little phone screen. There's a chance of getting a little bit of dust or debris is so easy. But with our film shop, effortless. The film quality is impeccable. Now on this back piece, we even removed the back piece. Come show the quality of the work here. Come show this edge here. I mean, literally, it is flawless. Even our corners are perfect. But we take this piece back here off, so that way we can do it in one piece where you don't have a seam right here. And this piece is done as well, and it's wrapped underneath, so that way you can't even see that it's like, that there's even film on it. I mean, it is literally gorgeous. I am so happy with how this job came out. It took quite a long time because the level of expertise when we're doing a full body color change like this, I mean, it takes a lot of time, but it came out literally fantastic. So client now has a 10-year warranty on pretty much all of the film. And we also did tint everything. We tinted every window in this vehicle. So we did sides and rear in window tint, the front 2, the back 2, the rear quarter glass, and then the back window. And then we also did the full windshield in 50% tint, and then we did a full moonroof as well in 50% tint, which it came out fantastic. So all of our tint is lifetime warranty. We do shave all the edges. If you want to see, you can actually see the edges of this are shaved, so you don't even see a little gap of light in between where the film is and where the top of the window is. It's literally like, I mean, there's no gaps even at all. So we shave and tuck all of our edges on all of our tint. It's literally top of the line ceramic film as well. IR rejection is like close to between like 80 and 90. Our UV protection of 99% UV, and our T-serts are anywhere, depending on which type of film you get, anywhere between like 55 and 85. So the film quality on everything is just top of the line. I'm so happy with how this came out. If you're looking to get your car done, book a consultation with us. We can show you some colors. We offer 15 other different services, to name just a few. We do automotive detailing, ceramic coatings, paint correction, a little bit of touch-up paint, Icon Rock Clear undercoatings, of course colored PPF. We do clear PPF as well, matte stealth conversions. We do window tinting, ceramic film only. We also do vinyl wraps, rust proofing, color change, underglow lighting, interior lighting, powder coating. There's so many more. I probably forgot half, but yeah, if you want to book a consultation, give us a call, 219-533-8783. If you want to transform your vehicle, it doesn't have to be 2026 Tesla Y Juniper. This one came out sick, but we do every vehicle. We do everything. We're finishing up the Rolls Royce in the shop now. That one's going to come out. That video is going to be out very, very soon, so stay tuned. If you want to see when that one drops, give us a subscribe. Like, follow us, do everything that it takes to promote us. We'd really appreciate it. And if you refer anybody, let us know. We offer a $200 cash referral bonus, any referral. So give us a call if you want to book a consultation, walk you through the shop, show you around, meet you, shake your hand. We'll get you on the schedule. 219-533-8783, or visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, or email us, service, SCRVICE, @attn2detail.info. Enjoy the Satin Willy Purple by Terminax. The color is fantastic. The installation is just bar none. Yeah, give us a follow and hope to see you soon. Aaron with A2D, South Chicagoland area, out.